I have found a way where you can remove background from any image. It is free, works online, and is very easy to use. Go to shutterstock.com/editor/image. If you do not have a Shutterstock account, create one and it's completely free. From the My Files icon, you can upload an image from your device. I want to remove the background from this image. Select the image and you see the Effects menu here. Click on Effects and the option to remove background will appear. This background removal process is automatic and does not work for some images. For example, this image has a quite contrasting background to the main object, so the background is removed perfectly. I will show how to remove background from the not-so-perfect images just a bit later. If you are happy with the preview with automatic background removal, click on Remove Background. Now you see a transparent background and you can set new background. But things may not work this smoothly for every image. Let me show you an example. From my uploads, I will select this black and white Freud image. You can see both the main object and background image have a similar color. Let's see how the automatic background removing process works. In the preview, you can see nothing has been removed from the image. As the background and main object have the same color, Shutterstock could not decide what to remove. You have to assist to distinguish between those two. Select Remove Background radio button and start erasing the background. I erase this part and release the mouse. Now everything is under yellow shade and in the preview, everything from the image is removed. Now select Preserve the main object and drag over the main image. This way Shutterstock will be able to understand the difference between background and main object. You have to repeat this remove and preserve process a few more times until you get a satisfying result. In preview, you can always see the current state. You can also increase or decrease the brush size from this slider. When you need to select a bigger area in one go, increase the brush size. When you need fine-tuning, select a smaller brush size. This is the end result after my manual effort. This white background is coming from Canvas, so I will set no background in Canvas. You can apply various filters after selecting the image. And of course, you can set a new background to the canvas. I always had an idea that you have to know image editing software like Photoshop to do this kind of background removal work. Or you have to buy a premium subscription from software like Canva. But now a completely free online solution is available, and it is quite a fantastic tool. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Please comment what other tutorials you would like to see next.